Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So today we're doing a little spring cleaning. It is time to get these things freshened up and ready for the spring and summer. Try to do this cleaning twice a year, once in the fall, once in the spring, and just pushing all the dust off of it. These get extremely dirty. I cleaned this rig just a few moments ago, so it is so much better. Still has a little dust on it. Really what I'm doing with the blower that I have is going for the insides of the GPUs. That's my main thing, cleaning off the board, getting any real loose dust. As you can still see, there's still some on the cables. So not everything is perfectly clean, but I'll tell you, it has got to be 90% more clean than it was just a few minutes ago. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other rig I got out here. That one that I just showed you was the 3060 rig. This is the 3060 Ti rig. And this one, we are gonna take a look at this one. This one is extremely dusty. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn my fan on, or my blower on, and to give credit where credit is due, I did originally see this on Red Panda Mining's channel, and he had this, I don't know, it was a couple years ago, and I thought that was amazing. That was a great thing because you don't want to use a vacuum to clean this because a vacuum will create a static charge and you can blow out something in your card or your board or have some sort of problem. So you don't want to use a vacuum. You want to use a blower when you do this, but I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to just draw a little, I don't know if you can see all that. How dirty that is. But anyway, it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and start blowing this stuff out. You'll see that it really gets it a lot cleaner than it is now. I do need to put the camera down to do this because I do like to hold the fans in place when I blow these clean, and I can't do that while I'm holding the camera also. So I'm just going to start to clean this. Like I said, this is the X Power. This is it right here. Take note of that. It's like 30 or 35 bucks for this thing. It's got 3 speeds, off, low, and high. I'm going to be using it on high, but if you watch, you can see the dust just like blowing out the fronts here when I'm doing this. So let's take a look. All right, well, I gotta say, for just a couple quick seconds of blowing these clean, it is really night and day. I can still see my finger streak in here. I'm just gonna have to wipe off some of this and get some of that done like that. But for the most part, it's blown off so much of the loose dust that was here. I mean, so much of it was, well, it was bad. And I don't know if you saw that in the first couple seconds when I started blowing this off, all the dust shooting out of there. I mean, that's how much dust gets in here, and you just don't even realize it. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to get this one done. I'm going to go ahead and work on that one, then grab that 6-card rig, bring it down here, and then bring these back upstairs, hook them up. I took the power supplies out just for the sake of bringing these down here so you can see that just the breakout boards are here. But yeah, I'm going to clean them a little bit better. And then I will feel a lot better going into the spring and summer with this mining because, yeah, it's going to be doing a lot of mining. If you see my other videos on my electricity, you know that I'm getting a pretty decent rate. So these are viable for me. So I'm going to get these up and running and get those going today. So anyway, there you go. Spring cleaning, y'all. If you haven't done it, it's time. You better get out there and start taking care of yours. I'll tell you what the scariest thing about doing this is as walking downstairs with these rigs. I mean, I know they're not as worth as much as they were when I originally built them at like $700 a card, $800 a card, you know, but still, I would hate to drop them. So it's pretty nerve-wracking coming downstairs, but ultimately it's worth it. It needs to be done. They are filthy. So anyway, comments down below. Want to know if you're doing yours. I am going to be working on my ASICs also. I would love to get those cleaned up. And there's a couple of them that I know I bought. They were dirty when I got them. And there was several that I got that were in pristine condition. So I want to go ahead and just start looking at a couple of them and just clean them out as well. But today is GPU day, so that's what we're doing. Comments down below, y'all. Are you cleaning your GPUs? Do you do it once a month? Do you do it once a year? I like to do mine twice a year. I do it in the fall and I do it in the spring. So let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Hope you're all doing well. Keep on trucking. See y'all next time. Thanks for checking in.